In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your projects using Microsoft Project or Teams with the help of Copilot. Whether you're working on a personal project or coordinating a large team, staying organized and on top of deadlines is essential for success. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening up Microsoft Project or Teams on your device. Both programs offer robust features designed to streamline your project management process. Copilot is integrated into these platforms to assist you in optimizing your workflow. As you navigate to your chosen application, you'll find that it provides a user-friendly interface tailored to make complex project management tasks much more manageable. Once you have your program open, it's time to input your project tasks and deadlines. Consider breaking down your project into smaller, more manageable tasks and milestones. This practice will give you a detailed view of each component of your project, making it easier to track progress and identify potential bottlenecks. Ensure that you specify clear deadlines for each task to maintain a structured timeline. This will be particularly useful when you need to delegate tasks among team members and track overall progress. Now here's where Copilot becomes especially useful. This AI-powered tool can assist you by sending reminders about your upcoming project deadlines. To set this up, simply ask Copilot to keep track of your deadlines. You can do this by using specific commands or natural language queries, depending on the interface you're working with. By scheduling reminders for critical tasks, you ensure nothing slips through the cracks, and you're always aware of what's coming next. It's a way to let technology carry a piece of the managerial load, freeing up more time for you to focus on the strategic aspects of your project. Moving forward, it's important to view and manage these deadlines efficiently, which is where dashboards come into play. Microsoft Project and Teams offer dynamic dashboards that provide clear visual representations of your project's timelines and deadlines. These dashboards are designed to give you a comprehensive snapshot of where your projects currently stand and may include Gantt charts, calendar views, and status updates. As you examine these dashboards, look for trends or tasks that might consistently present challenges and adjust your project plan accordingly. The flexibility of these dashboards allows for real-time updates, which means that your project plan can evolve as your project progresses and you're always equipped with the most relevant information. Remember, effective project management is about more than just checking boxes and meeting deadlines. It's about creating an environment where everyone involved knows their role and the path forward is clear. By